Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Alexa with Lifx bulbs, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have your Lifx bulb set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, download the Lifx app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Lifx app and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, tap on the icon to add a new device. Follow the prompts to connect your Lifx bulbs to your account. Make sure your Alexa device is also set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap on the Devices section at the bottom of the screen. In the Devices menu, select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Light from the list of device types. Scroll down and select Lifx from the available options. You will be prompted to log into your Lifx account. Enter your Lifx account credentials and agree to any permissions requested. Once authorized, the Alexa app will begin discovering your Lifx bulbs. When the discovery is complete, you should see your Lifx bulbs listed in the Alexa app. You can rename your bulbs for easier voice control. Test your setup by saying, "Alexa, turn on bulb name." If the bulb responds, your authorization was successful. You can also create routines and groups for more convenient control of multiple bulbs. Now, enjoy controlling your Lifx bulbs with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.